So praise the Lord, good morning po sa ating lahat. Ating pag-aralan ngayon yung Genesis chapter 2, verse 20 hanggang 23. Yan po yung paglikha kay Eve. Okay, bakit kaya sa tadyang sa kinuha? Okay, makita po natin sa Genesis chapter 2, verse 7, na si Adan was formed from the dust of the ground. Okay? Finorm siya from the dust of the ground. Pero yung text describes Eve as being formed from one of man's ribs. Sa ribs o tadyang kinuha. Bakit kaya may pagkakaiba? Why there is difference? Is there any significance to these two separate materials being used by God in the formation of the first human pair? May pagkakaiba ba? I mean, may significance ba? Kung if so, if there is significance, if so, what is it? Ano yun? Yung significance na yun. Kung wala naman, bakit nagbigay ng distinction? Bakit hindi na lang kinuha sa dust si Eve? Bakit sa ribs pa? Although may mga Sumerian poem po dyan, hindi natin explain yon. Pero makikita po natin na si Adan ay talagang finorm from rib. Si Eve ay finorm from the rib of Adam or Adan. At siya po'y tinawag na Eve because she would become the mother of all living sa Genesis chapter 3 verse 20. Siya po'y the mother of all living. Si Eve. Okay? Ngayon, alalahanin natin na mayroon pong close connection ito, no? Dahil nakita po natin na Genesis chapter 2 verse 19, makikita natin na yung animals, ang mga hayop ay ginawa din ng Diyos out of the ground. Ginawa din siya. Genesis chapter 2:19. Ngunit makikita natin dito na Adam lacked the kind of companion he needed. Kulang. Hindi animal ang companion ni Adan, no? Kundi babae, si Eve nga. So in order to teach a close connection that woman has with man, the text does not say that God also created her from the ground or dust of the ground. So kakaiba yung babae. Instead, she came from Adam's ribs. So itong phrase na to, mayroon pong phrase si Adan, sabi niya, bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh point out only to a woman's origin, but also not only to woman origins, but also to the closeness of her marriage relationship and partnership she was to share with her mate. So, yun po yung kahalagahan dyan, na yung phrase po na bones of my bones and flesh of my flesh. Amen. Yun po yung origin o nagpapakita ng origin ng babae. Hindi lang nagpapakita ng origin ng babae, kung hindi nagpapakita po ng kanyang pagiging close o maging malapit. Pagiging malapit ng kanyang marriage relationship and partnership sa lalaki. It is not without significance daw yung Hebrew word for rib, yung pong rib, R-I-B, appears nowhere else with this meaning in Hebrew Bible. It is usually meaning yung meaning po ng rib sa Hebrew, ibig sabihin tagiliran, side. Kaya nga sabi ng mga reformers, na mga champion of reformers nung araw, yung mga reformers, sabi nila, woman was not taken from the feet as if she were beneath man, or taken from man's head, so that it will be over man, but taken from his side, from the side of man, as equal with man. Okay? So ang babae nga, sabi ng mga reformers yung mga dating magaling na mga preacher in old days. Yung mga reformers, sila John Calvin, yun na nga ang sabi, no? So, ibig sabihin, some had tried, no? Ang iba naman, may nag-explain sila na yung rib, R-I-B, ay nagre-refer daw between sa space or cavity of Adam's body on the strange assumption that man was originally bisexual. May mga nag-attempt na ganyan, no, na ang lalaki ay bisexual kasi nga doon kinuha doon yung babae sa kanyang tagiliran. The attempt is then made to substitute the word for female sex organ in place of rib. Nakakatawa po itong explanation to, no, ng iba. But this attempt is foiled from the start, for what will we make of one of man's ribs? Ribs lang talaga yon. So, ang punto po rito, the point is that man and woman share a communality and partnership observed nowhere else in the created order. Lahat po ng created order, iba. Iba ang babae dahil siya kinuha talaga sa tadyang na lalaki. To emphasize this closeness, God actually took a real part. Ito po yung significance, no, ng bakit sa tadyang kinuha ang babae. To emphasize closeness. Para ipakita po yung pagiging malapit. So actually, God took a real part, totoong part po yon, from the side of a man as He brought to life for the first time this new creation called woman. So yung babae, very significantly, ay kinreate ng Diyos out from the man's ribs. So kaya nga po, tayong mga lalaki at ang mga babae, hindi po dapat ang babae nasa ibaba at pakapakan parang utusan, at gayon din naman ang babae ay hindi on top of a man para yung bulihin ang lalaki, under desire yung lalaki. Hindi ganon. Siya ay hinugot galing sa gilid sa tadyang para sila ay mag-partner, co-equal sa buhay na ito. Very close partnership, very close relationship. Amen. So in a family, husband and wife must have an equal participation of doing things, and equally participating, okay, of bringing up a stronger family. So yan po yung purpose, yan po yung significant bakit sa tadyang kinuha ang babae. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po. Amen.